Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in if battery is low, then go straight to Settings and open Apps or Apps and Notifications. You want to see the full list, so tap See All Apps. This shows system and user apps together. Why do this now? Because locating the app precisely prevents accidental removal of essential services. Once you see the list, scroll or use search to find the unwanted app name. That begins the removal workflow. You now tap the specific app to open its info screen. This is where uninstall options live. If uninstall is available, tap it and confirm to remove the app and its data. If uninstall is grayed out because it's a system app, choose disable to stop it and free resources. You can also force stop to halt background activity. For stubborn pre-installed apps, make sure you try updating via Play Store or, when comfortable, use ADB command. Once the app is gone or disabled, restart your phone to ensure changes apply and background services stop. You should also return to the app info and clear storage or cache to remove residual files. If the app won't uninstall, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. Make sure to try uninstall again. As a last resort, use ADB uninstall commands or restore factory settings, but back up first because those options are irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.